Hello, my name is Samantha, and this is my interactive whiteboard on the photosynthesis. This interactive whiteboard was intended for 9th grade biology, in which they're asked to pick any kind of plant and create that plant for the process of photosynthesis. This whiteboard was meant to be sent to every single one of my classes in my periods, and so they can select their period and then create their plant. But before we get into that, let me show you the introduction part. So this is where they will have a video, as you can see here, where they will watch the video and then do the activity. I also embedded some stickers here and my little Bitmoji, and I also made a text box which I am saying the directions, and I also point out the sidebar feature here. To do these stickers here and the video, if you click on the More Apps portion and you click Stickers, that is where I added, I clicked the stickers that I wanted to use for this assignment. You can see the emojis and then also the GIFs that are here. To embed the video, I use the upload feature. So if you click upload and you do to via link, it will bring you the link where you put it in, and you press OK and it'll embed the video for you. So I mentioned the sidebar feature because it is a really unique option that I used here to navigate through the interactive whiteboard. So it provided a picture, and then I also put an arrow, which I used over here, and then for this I just screenshotted a picture of this icon and embedded it in here. So if you click this, it will bring you to every period and also bring you back to the video just in case you want to see it again. This is a really unique feature that I really liked using because using the whiteboard and trying to move around can be really difficult. So I liked how you can just click on it and it will bring you to it. So for the actual assignment, the students will be asked to pick a plant of the photosynthesis and show how it works and being creative using pictures, GIFs, and stickers. So I created a sample here. I used some stickers, I used a GIF, I have different texts, I labeled everything, and I used the drawing feature. So I use the sticking, I can use the connection, the pen tool, and I used the stickers, and I also embedded in some other pictures as well. So this was really fun to create. I think it allows students to be able to create and be creative with this. So that's why I really liked doing this as an activity for my students.